Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. In today's video, let's dive into static GK questions on historic monuments. We have also recently released a video on top 1000 CMAT GK questions. If you haven't checked it out yet, please do so. The link will be provided in the description below. Additionally, we are offering a free CMAT mock and 5 CMAT mock tests for just 299 rupees. Please find the link in the description below. Now let's get started. First question, Shakti Sthal is the memorial site of which political leader? The answer is Indira Gandhi. Next question, Podong Monastery is located in Sikkim. Consider the following statements regarding Hoysala art. The Hoysala art developed in the southern region of Karnataka. Hoysala art may be said to have its starting point in the temples of the early Chalukyas at Aihole, Badami and Pattadkal. An important monument employing this art is the Keshava temple at Belur. Apart from the architectural plan, the Hoysala style attained a few more distinguishing characteristics. For instance, chronic schist was given up in favor of more tractable sandstone. Which of the following statements above are correct? The answer is option C. 1, 2 and 3 only. Next question. Which of the following statements is true about the inauguration of the Statue of Unity? On Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's 100th birthday anniversary, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the Statue of Unity. Statement 2. Designed by Padma Bhushan recipient sculptor Ram V. Suthar. The answer is statement 1 is only correct. Option B. Next question. Match the following UNESCO World Heritage Sites with the place they belong to. First one, Elephant Caves. It's in Maharashtra, India. Cluny National Park and Reserve is in Canada. Bruges belong to Belgium. Yellowstone National Park belong to United States of America. And Fatehpur Sikri is in Uttar Pradesh. So the answer is option A. Next question. How many number of sites in India are part of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites list? The answer is option D, 37. The tomb of a Sufi saint is called Dargah. Next question. Khajuraho temple is located in Madhya Pradesh. Bagh caves are located in which state? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Vivekananda Rock Memorial is situated at Tamil Nadu. Next question. The Biraja temple, the Raja Rani temple and the Samaleshwari temple are all located in option C, Odisha. In which state the Jugada Rock Edict of Ashoka is located? The answer is Odisha. Ale Darwaza, the southern gateway of the Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque in Delhi, was constructed by Alauddin Khilji. Which one of the following is not included in the list of the new 7 wonders of the world announced in Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, on 7th of July 2007? The answer is the Hanging Garden of Babylon. In which year was the Nahagar Fort in Jaipur built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II? The answer is 1734. Next question. A paragraph is given below. Identify the factual inaccuracy in the paragraph and select the appropriate option. The Statue of Unity was inaugurated by the Prime Minister on 31st of October 2018. The 181 meters tall statue is the tallest statue in the world. The statue was inaugurated on the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, whose role in the unification of India is remarkable. Patel is often remembered for Operation Polo, which led to the annexation of the state of Hyderabad to the Indian Union. Now let's identify the factual inaccuracy in the paragraph. Option A, the Statue of Unity was inaugurated on October 31st, 2018. Option B, the Statue of Unity is 181 meters tall. Option C, Option Polo led to the annexation of the state of Hyderabad to the Indian Union. And option D, the statue was inaugurated on the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The answer is the Statue of Unity is 181 meters tall. Next question. If Ranchi is called Delhi, Delhi is called Mumbai, Mumbai is called Dehradun, Dehradun is called Nagpur and Nagpur is called Meerut, then Where is the gateway of India? The answer is Dehradun. The Gol Gumbad of Dash is the mausoleum of Muhammad Adil Shah. The answer is Bijapur. Which one of the following Indian World Heritage Sites included in the UNESCO's list has not been matched correctly with its location? The answer is Airavateshwara Temple, Karnataka. Which ruler has built the Leh Palace that has been adopted under Adopt a Heritage Project? The answer is Senge Namgyal. Which historical site is located in Jugada in Odisha? The answer is Rock Edicts of Ashoka. Which of the following forts was built by the Kakatiya dynasty? The answer is Golconda. Which was the Indian first rural university established by Nanaji Deshmukh? The answer is Mahatma Gandhi Chitrakot Gramodaya University. In which state is the archaeological site of Surkotada situated? The answer is Gujarat. Who has designed the Dilwara temples in Rajasthan? The answer is Vastupala and Tejpala. Who built Taj Mahal? The answer is Shah Jahan. Which monument was built in 1924 to welcome King George V and Queen Mary? The answer is Gateway of India. Next question. In which of the following neighboring countries of India is the famous Katasraj Temples complex with shrines of multiple faiths located? The answer is Pakistan. Lake Palace, built by Maharana Jagat Singh II, is in which city? The answer is Udaipur. Pova Mecca in Assam is the tomb of Pir Gayasuddin Aulia. Buland Darwaza, built by Akbar, is in which city? The answer is Fatehpur Sikri. The Jaisalmer Fort is located in Rajasthan. Which temple complex is in the shape of gigantic chariot having elaborately carved stone wheels, pillars and walls? The answer is Konark Sun Temple. The Victoria Memorial in Kolkata is constructed with which of the following materials? The answer is white Makrana marble. Ghanana Saraswati Temple of southern India is located at Basar. Where is the tomb of Sher Shah Suri located? The answer is Sasaram. Lion-tailed macaque is also called as beard ape. Which monument in India is also called as Amba Vilas? The answer is Mysore Palace. The place of Gautam Buddha's birth was a grove known as Lumbini. Where is Harmandir Sahib situated? The answer is Amritsar. Fort St. Louis was a dash fort that stood in Pondicherry on the eastern coast of India. The answer is French. Dash is a place in Jaipur built by Savai Pratap Singh. The answer is Hawa Mahal. Next question. In which of the following cities is the tomb of Rani of Jhansi situated? The answer is Gwalior. Which of the following monasteries is located in Sikkim? The answer is Ramtek. Where is the Dharmaraja Ratha monument located? The answer is Mahabalipuram. Which of the following is a fair held at the shrine of Mastan Shah Wali? The answer is Damuni Uras. How many windows are there on the outside wall of Hawa Mahal of Jaipur? The answer is 953. At 73 meters, which of the following is the world's largest rumble masonry minaret? The answer is Qutub Minar. How many monasteries and temples are located in Ellora Caves? The answer is 34. Which of the historical monuments has been chosen as a Swachh Bharat icon by the Union government on 21st of November 2017? The answer is Charminar. If you like this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. In case of any comments, please do comment in the comment section below.